welcome to Ragdi Queen. My name is Rohita and today I will make a very better celebration of a greeting card from Crickmat. Before going to start, I will tell you what we need. Some 3 A4 paper, red, white and green, and after glue, scissor, pencil, color, purple and blue, and paint, water paint, so many colors, and this thing to paint. Let's start! Before going to start, who didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. First we need to take A4 sheet paper. Fold it center. You need to take white paper and now fold it. We fold like a red center. So let's fold it. Don't write it look like a book. I will get it attached with glue. So let's put some glue here. Let's take it out. And now we could take it. Fold it one too. To the dot. Carefully go down, little dot. Then guys, now close the cap. And you already remember the white paper. Now, I already took it and now we need to do like this so the glue will not come. And now I will show you how it works. Now fold it and do another strip in the center. Now keep it side. And let's make Christmas tree. So first you need this. I will like fold 1/4 of center. To draw a Christmas tree. Now this line. Draw the Christmas tree. Leaf and carry. Now again. And now curve. Now right. Now slowly go down. Now another one. I like this. Now let's cut it. It comes here. Only in that pattern. And not be cut. Alright guys. Why do I fold it? Because we don't need to cut the another one. So we already have a Christmas tree. It's cute. We need to have a glue. Now let's add it for the feather. Now let's another type. Now we are done. Put a glue cap. And now slowly open. And now attach it here. Remember the book? Red and white book. You have a tar, any color tar. But I like gold, right? So I put gold. Now put the glue. And now attach the tar right here. Let's put it like this. Only like it. Alright, I attach it. So that it will be guide. Alright. Decorate inside. So you can do any drawing you like. Now draw thick lines for padded dart. Now you have any color dart. I want this color dart. So you have it and you have the glue. You can take to the dart. Now you have the very cool glitter and now pat it to those lines. Now you have it. Now take it some glue for it. Oh, so satisfying. I couldn't wait to dip in the glitter. I have it, dip it in the glitter. Oh, so sparkly. And press the light and take it. Right. You make for tart. Now you have it and take glue. Done now. Now you have the tart. Already put glitter. Because now don't need glue because these are tickled. Don't need plain. Don't need glitter. Done, guys. Now roll it with the pencil. Having a gift box. Make two pieces. Which color do you want? I want red. So now green color gift box. Now we'll add it green color gift box and put it right here. Draw a line. Now different purple. Only purple for the green, for yellow, blue, and green, purple, and red, pink, and right. Now blue for the red. The right. You are very great, Matt. Now let's write on it. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas and a happy New Year. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas and a merry Christmas. R-I-L-T-N-A. Now we have some pink coolant. Glue it. Take it off. Put it on the green. Done, guys. Coolant. And now this one for the red. Go outside to make the mold. The Christmas tree is dry now. Oh, I love this one. So now let's take it. Take it. You are with Kundali. Let's make yellow and pink tip. It for ticking. I will do it. Now we apply blue. Already done. Now I will do pink tip. Here. And now tick it on the brown color and color them. Done. Done. Now we make a flower. Now the flower is ready. Cut a big flower. It's ready, guys. Now in the big one, put a small one. Now let's put it right here. The leaf. Now let's put a leaf. I'll put it in the middle. My greeting card is ready. Now let's open it. Like this greeting card, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. You keep watching my videos.